Adina Collins. I am the CEO of Fortitude Financial Consulting. Today I wanted to talk to you about 3 frequently overlooked tax deductions that doctors and doctor entrepreneurs, also affectionately called doctorpreneurs, may overlook when you file your federal tax return. The first item is business mileage. Yes, business mileage. Think about if you're a doctor that travels frequently every day or multiple times per week between different offices, if you have frequent continuing professional education training that you're required to take, perhaps you may also have to run other errands on behalf of your practice or your business. You definitely want to capture that business mileage. The most efficient way for you to be able to capture it is by downloading a free mileage program on your cell phone, such as Mile IQ, that'll automatically log miles for you in the background of your phone, and you can classify those particular drives every day as business or as personal. The second item that you may not be aware of that you could use for savings is that if you recently opened up a 529 college savings plan, you are now allowed, as of January 1st, 2018, to use a portion of those 529 savings plans towards private school. You can use up to $10,000 per year per child on that. That may be able to help you to also reduce your federal tax liability. The third thing that you may want to consider is this. Perhaps you're a doctor that has a primary residence, and you may want to consider renting out your primary residence either as an Airbnb or maybe as a temporary place for someone to stay if there was a major event that came to town, such as a convention. Did you know that the IRS allows you to rent out your home, your primary residence, for up to 14 days, and the amount that you receive from rental for that time can be tax-free income? Yes, you do not have to pay taxes on that. However, you have to be very careful because you have to have specific documentation that does set up your home as a temporary place for people to stay. You definitely want to be able to document that very well, have both yourself or your spouse, as well as the people who would be staying with you during that time, to sign off on it, and that you have shown that they have paid you for that. So you want to be very careful in reference to that. If you're interested in finding out more information about how doctors or doctorpreneurs can save on their taxes, please feel free to follow me directly on LinkedIn. You can follow me as Adina Collins, MBA, on LinkedIn. You can also follow me on Facebook or on Instagram under Fortitude Financial Consulting.